This is number 6 on our house inspection checklist, and we mentioned gaps on the outside of the house. This would be gaps on the inside of the home. If you have anything that is starting to separate on the inside of the house, it could be from moisture. So you're not going to see a lot of closet trim or floor trim separating if there isn't something causing it. Now, I don't want to say that poor construction can't cause this. If you have a piece of floor trim that wasn't fastened properly, it needs to be reattached. Reattach it. Now, if it continues to separate, there could be another problem causing it. Again, moisture is our biggest culprit on the inside of the house. If we don't have any moisture around the house, we are going to eliminate a lot of the problems that we have. So even with our foundation cracks, here's what happens on the foundation. Again, this doesn't have anything to do with this rule, but these are the bonus tips you're going to get through with these videos. Moisture gets underneath the foundation and will either erode some of the dirt or cause it to settle. That allows the building to move down in different sections of the house. If the entire building moved down at the same time, we wouldn't have a lot of movement, but that's not the case. We have a little bit of movement and then we've got a crack. So now that should give you a better idea about the cracks and why they're caused. But as far as the gaps go on the inside of your house, fix them. Any loose caulking around the bottom of your toilets, faucets, sinks, appliances, anything that has a gap that will allow moisture into it or is created from moisture needs to be addressed. So while you're inspecting for cracks, also look for gaps. If you own a house, you should inspect it regularly. But how can you inspect a home if you don't know what to look for? If you're not looking for a complicated checklist or something that wasn't written in a language that you can't understand anyway, do yourself a favor and visit this website today. The most valuable investment you have must be protected and inspected.